do that, right? So now we have here is the orbit. The other part of the orbit, right, is going to be here. It's this. See that? This change of a value here. You see, I have a photograph that can show that, right? Well, I have, so here, look in the sculpture, right? This is probably Hadrian, right? See that? See that? How these guys knew already everything. This is Hadrian, I think Hadrian, right? And they knew everything, right? Look at this, right? Look at this here, and look at this here. Beautiful. See that? So now we have the brow, the eyebrow here coming down like this. See the side plane, right? And this is now the eyelid, right? This is the orbit, the margin of the orbit, which is specifically is the lacrimal ridge or part of the frontal maxillary eminence. Then we have the nasolabial furrow, and then we have in here this nice sexy mustache in here, and that's going to be the corner of the mouth, right? Make sense? So that's the pillars of the mouth. This is a great image to copy, to practice these. Maybe I post it. If you guys want to see, I can post this so you can copy it, right? But we see it also in images. This is a single sergeant, right? It's supported by single sergeant, right? See that? 1, 2, right? Now you take this, and this nose is small, right? But yeah, pretty much. They're similar, right? Then you see now, this is the margin of the orbit, right? This line here, this volume here is this volume here, right? That is this, right? And somewhere here, depending on the light, you might be able to see this, but depends on the light, right? Depends on the light. And then, of course, we see these lines of the eyelids around there. So now here, we're going to have the this line here, the line of the orbit. Here is going to be now the nasolabial furrow, but it doesn't go to the lips, as the name implies. It goes to the side of the lip, meaning it defines the lips, right? So the lips is not just this. The lip is all of this, the upper lip, including the pink portion of the lips. Then all of this and this is the lower lip, right? So the nasolabial furrow defines the lip, right, from the cheek, basically, right? From here now we have the node, right? The node is at the corner of the mouth here. The node is a convergence of muscles that move the lip different direction. Actually, I have an image here. Let me show you. Where did I put it? I get the image from the book. Just give me a second. So okay, see that here we have all this muscle, right? We have the caninus, right? We have the zygomaticus major, we have the risorius and the depressor corner of the mouth that connect here. See that in the corner of the mouth, and they move the mouth. This one, the caninus under there, moves it up, corner up. This moves it diagonally up like this. This lateral and this down. So they all converge to the corner of the mouth. That creates this little swelling here. The little swelling here, right? The corner of the mouth that is just barely visible, and it's a very subtle feature right there, but it is there, right? So now here we're gonna have the pillars of the mouth, right? This is the philtrum, right? And here we're gonna have the sidewall. This is the sidewall, is the side of the nose that goes down like that, right? It can be wider, can be narrower. And this portion here now we can block in darker, because that way we start implying movement like this, right, of the face. This is going to be the cheekbone.